Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss the lesson number 4 of computer. The lesson number 4 name is Introduction to MS Word 2010. Okay, let's get started. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. We use a notebook to write words and sentences. Similarly, MS Word allows us to type text on a computer in a simple and effective manner. Word processor is an application software that helps us to type, edit, and format text. Microsoft Word, in short form MS Word. Just like you needed a notebook to write your things, in the same way, in computer, we use a software called Microsoft Word to write the things like letters, essays. Okay. Next is uses of MS Word 2010. Let's see how we can use this software. Okay. First one, type letters, stories, reports, etc. in a simple way. Next one, make changes in the text while typing and after typing also. In this software you can write letters, stories, reports, etc. type of things, and while you are typing this, if you have make mistakes you can also erase it while typing. Okay. Next is give presentation look to the text using different colors, styles and effects. Add pictures to document. From this software, in a document you can also add pictures to this document, and you can also give presentation to the text using different colors, styles, effects. Okay. Next, make the document error free using spelling and grammar feature. Copy and move the text wherever required. If you have mistaken your spelling or grammar in the text, this software made it error free. And you can also move and copy the text wherever you want. Next, save the text for future use. Print a part or hold the document. If you want this text later, you can also save this for future use. And you can also print the text of the document. Okay. Next is how to starting MS Word 2010. To start MS Word 2010, follow 4 steps. Okay. First step is click on the start button on the taskbar. We have already learned about taskbar. There is a long bar at the lower part of the display. There is a small button called start button. You have to click on it. Next, step 2 is select all programs. When you click on start button, a menu will be appear. In this menu, an option will be available named all programs. You have to click on it. Step 3, select Microsoft Office. Step 3, select Microsoft Office. From the menu, click on Microsoft Office. And lastly, step 4, click on Microsoft Word 2010. From this menu, you can see there is an option called Microsoft Word 2010. You have to click on it. MS Word 2010 window opens with a new document for you to work. The MS Word window looks a lot like the Paint window with a few differences. Okay. Next, parts of MS Word 2010. There are various parts in MS Word 2010. Let's discuss about this. First, title bar. It displays the name of the program and the name of the document. At the upper side of the display, there is a bar called title bar. In this bar, you can display the name of the document or the program. Next is quick access toolbar. It is present on the left of the title bar. It contains commonly used tool buttons like save, undo, redo, etc. On the left side of the title bar, there is a small button called quick access toolbar, and this button contains some tools like save, undo, redo, etc. Next is ribbon. The toolbars and menu in MSWord 2010 are replaced by a ribbon which is made up of tabs and groups. Each tab has set of commands present in the shape of the tool buttons. These buttons are then further categorized in various groups. Under the title bar, ribbon is available, and this ribbon contains some tabs and groups, and each tab has its commands like shape of tool buttons, and this button categorized in various groups. Okay. Next is ruler. The rulers are found below the ribbon and above the document window and also on the left side of the document. It is present below the ribbon, above the document and the left side of the document. It is a line running across the display screen. It measures space layout in points, inches, centimeters, and it is also useful for setting margins and tabs. Okay. Next is vertical and horizontal scroll bars. The vertical and horizontal scroll bars allow you to move up and down and across your window by dragging in an icon located on the scroll bar. The vertical scroll bar is located along the right side of the screen and it is used to move up down in your document. You can click and drag the vertical scroll bar up and down. Vertical and horizontal scroll bar. This scroll bar move up and down the document. The horizontal scroll bar is located just above the status bar and is used to move back and forth across your document. You won't see a horizontal scroll bar if the width of your document fits on your screen. The horizontal bar is located above the status bar and it is used to move up and down. If your document fits on your screen, then you can see this scroll bar. Okay. Next is text document area. Just below the ruler is a large area called the text area. You type your text or content in the text area. The blinking vertical line in the upper left corner of the text area is the cursor or the insertion point. As you type your text, it displays at the cursor location. The horizontal line next to the cursor marks the end of the document. Just below the ruler there is a large blank area will be available, and this area is called text area. You can type your text, stories, letters, you can text here. And there is a small blinking vertical line in the upper left corner. This blinking line called cursor or insertion point. Okay. Next is status bar. It shows the detailed information of the document like page number, number of pages, lines, words, etc. Words gives a temporary name document 1 to your document. When a blank document is opened, you can change this name by saving your document with a different name. In the status bar, the document detailed information shows in this status bar like the page number of the document, how many lines, how many words, etc. When you open a blank document, there is a temporary name called document 1 and you can change it in a different name. Next, working with MSWord 2010. In MSWord, we create documents by typing them. When the text reaches to the end of the line, the cursor automatically moves to the second line. While typing text, you use the spacebar, enter, delete, and backspace key frequently. In MSWord, document is created by typing them. And while you typing the text, you have to use some keys like spacebar, enter, delete, backspace. These are. In MS Word, most of the work related to text is done in two steps. One is selecting the text and applying the desired changes. Now, let us learn how to create a new document in MS Word 2010. Okay, creating a new file. To create a new file, follow the given steps. Create a new document, you have to follow 3 steps. Okay, step 1 is click on the file tab. In the menu bar there is an option named file. You have to click on it. Next step is select new and then click on the blank document under available templates. When you click on file tab, there will be a new menu will be appear, and in this menu there is a option new. You have to click on it and then click on the blank area document under available templates. Okay, step 3, click on create a blank document will appear on the screen. Now you can type your text in it. After clicking blank document, you have to click on create. A blank document will be appear on the screen and you can type your text in this document. You can also open a new document by simply clicking on the keyboard Ctrl+N button. Okay, you have to click this on the same time. Typing the text. Remember, do not press the enter key when you reach the end of the line, and keep on typing the text. You will find that the cursor automatically shifts to the next line. Next is press the enter key only to start a new line. Okay, now saving a document. When you have finished typing in your document, you need to save it for future use. To save your document in MS Word, follow some steps. First, step 1 is click on the file tab. From the menu bar, there is a file option available. You have to click on it. Step 2, select save or save as. You can also click on the save icon on the quick access toolbar. After clicking on file tab, you can see a menu, and in this menu there will be an option save or save as. You have to click on it, and you also click on the save icon. It is available on the quick access toolbar. Step 3, give your file a name in the file name box. Now you have to name your document in the file name box. Step 4, click on the arrow in the save in the box to find the folder where you want to save your file. And step 5, click on the save button. And to save your document, you also used a shortcut. You can also use this shortcut to save your document, and you have to press Ctrl+S. You have to click both of these at the same time from your keyboard. Okay, next, opening a saved document. To open any saved document, follow this step. To open your saved document, you have to follow 4 steps. Okay, step 1, open Microsoft Word. Next, step 2 is click on the file tab. From the file tab menu, click on open. Find the file to be opened and double click on the file name. Find your file name where it is and double click on it. Okay, now closing MS Word. To close down MS Word program, you have to follow 3 steps. First step is you have to click on the file tab. Next, from the file tab menu, click on save and then click on close. Okay, next is printing a document. How can we print a document? There is 2 steps available. Step 1 is click on the print button on quick access toolbar to print the document, or click on the office button and select print option. To print the document, there is 2 options available. You can all click on quick access toolbar to print the document, or you can click on office button to print the document. Okay, and step 2 is click OK. The document will be printed, and lastly you have to click on OK and the document will be printed. There is also a shortcut button to print your document, and this shortcut button is Control plus P. Okay. Existing Word. To exit from MS Word, follow this step. There is two steps available. Step 1, click on the File tab, then click on Exit. There is also available a close button. This close button is red in color and it has a cross symbol on this. You can also exit MS Word by clicking on this, and it also has a shortcut button, and its shortcut button is Alt plus F4. You have to click this from your keyboard. Okay students, I hope you all understood well. That's it for today, and if you have any query related to this chapter, you can ask me. That's it for today. Thank you.